Gyda Gavin Allen wedi apwyntio'n rheolwr dynion Pontypridd, cafodd ei ddiswyddo fel rheolwr Mhrif Adran a gadael dan dipyn o gwmwl, ond wnaeth hynny ddim effeithio'r tîm yn Llandarsi. Gwenllian Jones yn agos at rwyddo cyn i Niamh Duggan roed o cic-rydd wych i roi Aber ar y blaen. Daeth sawl cyfle i'r elyrch o fewn eiliadau yn yr ail hanner wrth i gic-rydd Chloe Chivers gael ei dilyn gan ymdrechion Stacey John Davies a Katie Hosford wrth i Gary Lewis cyn arwr Aber gyfarwyddo o restlys. Gyda'r elyrch yn pwyso yn yr ail hanner fel lwyddodd croesiad o bell Jess Williams i gyrraedd cefn y rhwyd rywsut. Arweiniodd hyn at dipyn o gythrwfl yng ngheg y gôl a bu'n rhaid dangos 3 cerdyn melyn. Roedd y capten Katie Hosford wedi thanio ac yn edrych am y fuddugoliaeth, ond rhwystrwyd i hergyd gan arbediad arbennig Margo fans. Y gêm yn gorffan yn 1-1.
Gary, am gêm, mi oedd na bach o bob dim yn y gêm yna. Gêm gyfartal yn y diwedd, be di dy ymateb di i prawn ma?
Mae'r ymdrech yn wych yn dywe. Mae'r merched i roi sgwmynt iddyn ni heddi. Ar ôl gêm, dim ond o siau hefyd, so maen nhw'n cael 2 diwrnod i falle ymlacio a traed paratoi erbyn heddi, ond maen nhw'n rhoi sgwmynt ymdrech mewn heddi. Proud iawn fel rheolwr heddi.
Chris, that game had a bit of everything. 1-1 draw in the end. What's your reaction?
How we didn't win. That's my main reaction, is it was one-way traffic. Credit to Aber, they put everything on the line. They came here with a game plan and executed it quite well, to be fair to them. But my players couldn't give much more than they did. The goalkeeper made some fantastic saves, and credit to her. But how we didn't win that, I don't know.
Honestly, I'm just glad we got through it. Got a point. I think it's really important for us. That moves us into 4th on goal difference. We've got it all to play for against TNS next week. So really, really happy. Absolutely buzzing. The girls are. I think it was a backs against the wall kind of mentality, but that's what we try and go for, and I'm just so proud of them all.
Frustrated. A lot of people would think a draw is good coming here, but as you can tell by the other team's reaction, it is a winning feeling for them and a loss for us. So it's a frustrating game. We had many chances, it just didn't fall for us today.
Ddim wedi bod yn wsos hawdd yn y clwb, swn i feddwl.
No.
Da ni'n gweld bod lot o'r chwaraewyr wedi mynegu a'n hapusrwydd efo be ddigwyddodd i Gavin Allen. Sut mae wedi bod i chi'n cymryd drosodd?
Mae'n anodd iawn i fi, achos fi'n ffrindiau da efo Gaf a o'n i'n falch bod wedi cael cynlyniad gwych i Pontypridd ddoe. Ond wedyn fi wedi bod efo'r clwb yn o'n i'n 18-19 oed hefyd. So mae'n anodd i fi, ond i'n credu mae pawb yn hapus heddi, a wedyn mae'n rhaid ni symud mlaen a ngofio am ti popeth sydd wedi digwydd fi'n credu.